Hello and hi everyone. Namaste and welcome to our channel. My name is Smriti and I hope you are doing great and staying safe. So today's topic is blending in phonics. So how will you teach your child about blending? So first of all, you have to understand what is blending in phonics. So blending in phonics is combining broken up sounds to make a word. For example, at, a, t. A sounds a, t sounds th. And when you combine together, it will be at, at. Yes. So today's video, I am going to show you how to blend in two-letter words. And yes, why blending is important for your child. So blending helps your child to understand how word sounds. That will help them to read and write. So let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to show you step by step how to blend words. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to blend two-letter words. So you have to listen very carefully. P sounds p, p. A sounds a, and together pa, pa. S sounds s, s. A sounds a, and together sa, sa. A sounds a. B sounds b, b, and together up, up. W sounds v, v. A sounds a, and together where, where. Y sounds y, y. A sounds a, and together yeah, yeah. N sounds n, n. A sounds a, and together na, na. So you can see here a, the, at, a, the, egg, a, t, at. So now I'm going to show you how to do it in a worksheet. You can see I have used ruled writing workbook, which is best for your child in early writing practice. Now let's blend the sounds together to come up with a word. B, a, ba. K, a, ca. D, a, da. F, a, fa. G, a, ga. H, a, ha. K, a, ka. A, ma. N, A, ne. P, A, pe. R, A, re. S, A, se. T, A, te. V, A, ve. V, A, ve. Y, A, ye. Z, A, ze. Very good. So now let's do some activities. Can you say these sounds? B, R, and B, L. B, R sounds br, br. And B, L sounds bl, bl. The next C, R, and C, L. C, R sounds cr, cr. And C, L sounds cl, cl. Yes. Can you say these sounds? D, R, and F, R. D, R sounds J, J. And F, R sounds Fr, Fr. P, L, and S, T. P, L sounds pl, pl. And S, T sounds st, st. Yes. So I hope आपको आज का ये वीडियो पसंद आया है. अगर पसंद आया है then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more new videos. तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और सेहतमंद रहिए. Be happy, be healthy and take care of yourself. Until then, with lots of love, see you in my next video.